Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, guys, wherever you are in the world. I hope you're having a great day. So, I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste properly on this. Doesn't matter what application you're using, it doesn't matter. This is for Windows. I'm not sure how it works on Mac or anything else like that, but right. So, I'm pasting this because I have it already copied, but now I want to copy this line here and paste it, and now I want to copy this line here and paste it, and you might want to paste it into another application, which makes this method even easier. So what you want to do is you want to press, once you have everything you want copied, so I can copy everything. So copy this, 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 and now when I press this shortcut key, you can see everything I have copied. So make sure you subscribe. I copied that earlier, and now I can press Ctrl V and it will just paste it. So here's all the words that you just see me copy, and if I'm in a different application, um, it's nice and easy that I can just press this and find it. So the key that I'm pressing is Windows and the V key at the same time. You may notice this here. There's the emojis, which you can press Windows and full stop to access these emojis, and that's pretty cool. So you may have already seen this menu screen before, um, but you may not have known what this clipboard actually did or how to access it properly. So Windows V is the way you can access that. I hope you found this video useful, guys. Be sure to stay tuned in for more useful tips and tricks coming soon. Thank you for watching.